Hello guys, welcome back to my unboxing video. Today we have got an exciting Van Cleef unboxing which I'm going to show you. Here's the packaging. So this is a very straightforward purchase. I already knew what I wanted. So when I went into the store, I just have a quick browse of everything in the store. And I saw some of the things that I really like and some of the things that maybe I should get. So anyway, first unboxing. This is the receipt from Van Cleef. This is the care booklet. And the third one, this is actually the certificate we have here. I think if you have purchased enough items from Van Cleef, you'll know it comes with this. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention. This is also the diamond booklet. So I believe when you see this booklet, you will know my item is actually a diamond jewelry. And it comes with this, the care pouch, which you will see upon unwrapping this leather pouch. There's actually a brush to brush dust off your jewelry, and there is a care fabric that you use to wipe your Van Cleef bracelet. So as I mentioned earlier, it is going to be something with diamonds. So what could it be? Let's see. Something with diamond. Here's the box, and if you were to see the sizing, you will already know it's actually a bracelet. Bracelet, not a bangle. I did try the bangle, but I'm not so keen. I'm more keen in this. So let's do the review and let's see what I've got in this Van Cleef box. It is the 5 motif 18K white gold diamond bracelet. I am so obsessed and in love with this. It is so beautiful and so sparkly when it is on my wrist. And so to me, this is like the highest tier Van Cleef bracelet that is in the store, unless you are able to obtain something that is really unique. Like for example, some other various stones that are specially catered for certain customers. But otherwise, this is like the available bracelet that you can obtain in the store just as you pass by. So here's my unboxing. Here's the diamond bracelet, and I am in love. Let me know if you like this bracelet too, as much as I do. Click on the like button if you love this, and remember to subscribe to my video for more unboxing to come. There you have it, guys. Bye guys.